I hate paying for compost and I hate paying for mulch. So what do? I find it on the side of the road. In this episode of Simply Bananas, we're going to show you the cheap way to get plenty of mulch and plenty of compost.
Do you see Banana Man hopping over on the white hot sand? Here he come with some for me, freshly taken from banana tree. Banana Man, me want it done. Give me double at the bonus one.
So I'm driving along and I see these beautiful bags on the side of the road. And I've stopped at this house before, so I know that there's going to be some good stuff in there. So this looks like really good stuff here. It's leaves, grass clippings. There's 7 bags of it. But the last bag is oak leaves, which I don't really care about. So I'm going to put these in the van and we'll go from there. So this is the Ili banana. It's from Hawaii, and you can see that it's got a lot of old growth around it. So a couple things I'm going to do is I'm going to put that mulch down that we collected because it's free, and it's just one of those things that is so great because it breaks down and it actually provides protection from weeds growing up and stealing water, and it also holds the water in as well. And as the components break down, it provides nutrients for the banana plant. I hate paying for compost and I hate paying for mulch. So you can see we're almost out of compost, but this is what it's going to look like. This beautiful black soil. Perfect. And this is good for potting your plants with, and it's also good for filling in holes and things like that. It's good stuff, and it's good because I'm cheap and I don't like to pay for all these extra things that you have to get at these big box stores. I hate paying for compost and I hate paying for mulch. So we've just put our grass clippings in here. It's pretty full. It's a good mixture, but what I like to do is I like to get some of this other compost that's already started and just kind of put it in there and mix it up a little bit, because that'll kind of get things activated. And then before long, what we'll do is we'll get some water and put over this. We just had some rain the last couple of days, so I think it's going to be dry for the next week or so, but we do need to get this wet so that it can start working and percolating. And then probably in about 2 months, everything should be ready and we can go with it to the garden. Alright, this is the bottom of your compost bin. It's got to have holes in it. These are 1/4-inch holes that I've drilled with the regular hand drill. You can see there's probably 20 or 30 of them around. This does a couple things. It lets water drain out because you don't want it just sitting in water. It also lets worms in, because worms can come in and they will actually aerate and eat a lot of the compost material and dropping their waste off. And what this does is actually fortifies and nutrifies the compost and helps it decay a little bit faster. So this is rainwater I got out of the rain barrels. Of course it's free, so it doesn't cost anything. So, but you can pour this on, and this just keeps the microbes moist a little bit, and it helps them get the compost going, especially when it's, you know, dry outside. So I have rain barrels. I get this water from rain barrels. So rain barrels are great things to have because just a little bit of rain gives you an awful lot of water if it's coming off your roof. So that's pretty much it for all this compost. I do want to show you a couple other things about the mulching process. See all those grass clippings? These are not the ones that I gathered from the bags. These are from my neighbor's yard. He hates grass clippings, and so I've convinced him what he needs to do is every time he cuts his grass, and he dumps his grass clippings on my banana plants. I benefit greatly. Thanks for watching. I hate paying for compost and I hate paying for mulch.